love you, Mommy, my sweet, sweet Mommy. You make me happy when I am sad. I always have you inside my heart.
Surprisingly good.
Can I just have random or you gonna keep?
I feel happy.
Well, next time, every birthday you all have to bake cake. It's so easy to make and it's so nice. Yeah, surprisingly.
Who baked this?
Me. ESM company.
And then what did Papa do?
Nothing. Wait. Pizza one.
Let's wait for 1 cup of yogurt. Esther, you're talking next.
Next, we put 2 cups of sugar. 3 cups of plain flour.
1 tablespoon baking powder.
Next, we put 1 cup vegetable oil.
Is he cracked? No crack. Go again. Oh, go. Good job. Pull that. Pull it open. Good job. Good job. Don't break it. Good job.
Go!
Just up. Hey, Jonnie, squeeze it. Don't squeeze it. So you don't squeeze it.
Don't squeeze it too much. Next, 3 eggs. Now whisk everything together.
So gooey.
Can see the bottom. Now we put in the oven at 180 degrees.
For 35 minutes.
Mommy's birthday. Hooray! Yes, I love you. Yes, I do. I really do. Bye. Happy birthday from Emily to Mom. You are too nice for me. You are very big and tall. I love you so much that I think you are the best mommy in the world.